This is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. There's Faith, my girl Rosie, my girl Coca-Cola, Blackie 1, Blackie 2. Yeah, everybody loves me. It looks like you guys are going to the glue factory after Christmas. Elmer's is calling. Not you, my baby. So there they are, still available, 2 black males. They're potty trained, they're beautiful. I think they're 21 or 22 weeks old. Looking good. If you want a black male, they're available from Molly's Litter. If not, they go into the glue factory. Elmer's Glue Factory is right down the street. Come here, baby. Elmer's Glue Factory for you. I know, not you, Coca-Cola. They only take the males, not the females. Okay, Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. There's my girl Rosie. My other girl, Faithy, Blackie 1, Blackie 2, and Coca-Cola. I have 2 black males available. Okay, Rich Bowers signing off.